Hi all, good morning. Welcome to Pathway Infotech. Today I am going to present syllabus for new upcoming batch, which is FSCM, S4HANA FSCM batch. So the topics which I am going to cover. So here are the topics. So the topics here. So introduction, then basic configuration of FICO. Then I think these here up to here and here, everybody aware, EBS configuration for APP, run F110. Then after that, the topics, major topics are going to start from here. Cash and liquidity management. Under cash and liquidity management, overview of cash and liquidity management, changes between ECC and S4HANA, prerequisite for cash and liquidity management configuration and process of cash management, then business process of cash and liquidity management, EBS integration, configuration with cash management, EBS files upload, first and second presentment, balances and a memo record generation, FQM underscore flow and flow builder execution, cash flow analyzer report, liquidity management overview, configuration of liquidity management, posting of vendor customer line items and populate in the report. Then coming to these are the topics which will be covered in cash management, cash and liquidity management. Then the next topic would be cash concentration. Overview of the cash concentration, business process of the cash concentration. Then what are the configuration steps to be required for cash concentration? Then business scenarios, then reports, how we can view the reports in the cash concentration. Then coming to, once that will be completed, then I am going to start the treasury. So under treasury, overview of treasury, basic configuration of a treasury, then overview of the transaction manager and money market. So the first topic would be money market. So once the money market instruments will be completed, then I am going to start Forex. Then Forex, in the Forex, which I am going to cover, overview of Forex business process, configuration of Forex. Then in the Forex, predominantly I am going to cover spot rate, forward contract, spot contract and swapping. And coming to the securities, overview of the securities, then configuration of the securities. Then the scenarios which I am going to cover, equities, bonds. Then coming to the derivatives. So the under derivatives, overview of the derivatives, then configuration of derivatives, then the business scenarios which I am going to cover, futures and options. Then coming to the hedging, overview of the hedging, then hedging, in the hedging hedge plan, how to create the hedge plan, how to create a hedge risks, I mean how to create the hedge requests and how to release. Then and also along with that, in the hedging I am going to cover the exposure management. The hedge plan will be created along with the exposure management. Then business scenarios which I am going to cover here is the Forex. The hedging will be performed with Forex, then equities, futures and options. So then coming to the trade finance. So the concept of trade finance, which we were calling in ECC as a commodities. Now in S4HANA, no more commodities concept. Now the name has been changed. Now it is turned into as a trade finance. So what is the trade? What is the business process of the trade finance? And overview of the trade finance, configuration of the trade finance. So then basically in trade finance, I am going to cover letter of credit and bank guarantee. So how it is going to associated with the sales and distribution and material management module, how it is going to integrate it. That we are going to see in the trade finance. Then coming to the next topic would be a mirror deals. So the mirror deals, what overview of the mirror deals and intercompany loans. When we are going to perform intercompany loans, then mirror deals, how the mirroring looks like, so that we can see in in live. Then after that, the next topic, treasury payments. So overview of the treasury payments, business process of the treasury payments. Then after that, the next topic, so the next one would be a business process of the freeform payment and configuration. Then next one would be a repetitive code with the bank to bank payments. Then business process for the repetitive code with the third party payments with along with the configuration. Okay, so now the next topic would be a once. So now the next topic would be a risk management. Under risk management, market risk analyzer, portfolio risk analyzer, credit risk analyzer. Then coming to the, once these topics will be completed, then I am going to start the credit management. Overview of the credit management, business process of the credit management. Then what is the difference between ECC and S4HANA credit management? Then difference between strategic and dynamic credit check. Then what is the configuration of the credit management? Business scenarios. So how we are going to control the credit, okay, how we are going to map the credit at the time of sales order or at the time of delivery. So there are different scenarios are available. Coming to the collections management. So overview of the collections management, how the collections process which is going to work. Then how the collection segment that will be created and how it will be associated with the BP. So all the topics, I mean, end-to-end scenarios will be covered in the collections management. Then coming to the dispute management. So the dispute management, overview of the dispute management, then how the dispute will be created. So how the automatically the dispute case will get closed in case if we receive payment, and how the promise to pay will be created, and how that will be if the promise to pay will be broken, so how the business process will takes place. So then, so disputes, we can create one line item or multiple line items. Even there are scenarios where the dispute case will be created automatically without manual intervention. So all these scenarios which we are going to see. Then workflow also, there is a workflow process which is available. Then the next one would be overview of the biller direct. Since this is the third party application where we would require technical assistance. So that is the reason I'm going to present just only the overview of this one. Then the next topic would be a bank communication management. So overview of the bank communication management, then what are the changes as compared with ECC and S4HANA? Then what are the business scenarios which would be required in BCM? Then configuration of the BCM, then the replication of the scenarios in the BCM. So then the last one is the interview preparation, and what kind of questions we will be expected during the interview, and how to prepare the interview. Okay, so these are the topics which I am going to cover. If anyone is interested, please reach out to me. So that the course duration would be a 4 months. So this will be the session timings would be morning only. So every day 2 hours the session will be. Okay, so in case if you are interested, so please reach out to the below numbers. Thank you.